going through a lot of case studies, not just in the logistics industry, but around the various industries, have come across a lot of leaders who have excellent technical know-how. They have very good industry knowledge and great marketing skills as well. But many of their companies have not been able to realize the full potential. So for me, one of the reasons which comes up, which I have seen, is the lack of delegation. In our logistics industry, it is very important to delegate tasks to other employees. See, we must understand that we have a finite professional career. We are not going to be there forever, and we shouldn't be there forever as well. So, in order to really utilize our time in this professional career, we need to focus as business leaders on idea generation. We need to focus on analyzing our current business models and finding new ways to develop our business. But how will we do that? So I feel we will do that is if we can delegate projects, delegate responsibilities down the line and give people the freedom. Let them do the work, let them pursue those projects, and we are always going to be there to guide them, to help them. But they need that control, they need that freedom to get that work done, to get those projects done, and it will instill a huge confidence in them that yes, we are being discharged with a responsibility. So I feel it is a win-win scenario, which empowering team members is a win-win scenario because not only do the senior leaders and the managers get free to focus on the tasks which really make the business work, but also the mid-level employees are getting a chance to showcase their talent and they are being given that independent control of projects, which means a huge deal for them that the company is trusting them.
Right.
Today, in to attract bright talents in the industry, the bright talents need a platform to showcase their creativity. They need a platform to showcase their creativity. We cannot have those bright talents and then just tell them, okay, you have to do A, B, and C, and then okay, you give us the reports. They will also need that kind of a freedom, that kind of a free hand, of course, in a structured manner. And this helps them develop, this helps them get that inspiration from within, and they stay motivated and are able to add value to the company's vision as well. So I believe this is very important to empower team members of organizations so that the top level is getting free for the major business challenges and the business tasks. And down the level, people are getting inspired to get the works done themselves.